Uttar Pradesh now. UP Chief Minister has given a direct warning to writers and to criminals. He sent out a warning signal and said that there will be dire consequences. Will teach an unforgettable lesson. This is a stern warning coming in from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Lesson that will make future generations think. This is Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's direct jibe at the opposition. Writers honoured at the Chief Minister's house earlier. Mafia dogs shook hands with few netas. Earlier, the government saluted criminals, but this time, this won't happen.
तो मौलाना भूल गया कि शासन किसका है। वह मानता था धमकी देंगे और हम जबरदस्ती जाम कर देंगे। हमने कहा जाम नहीं होगा, कर्फ्यू भी नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन कर्फ्यू का सबक तुम्हें ऐसा सिखा देंगे कि तुम्हारी आने वाली पीढ़ी दंगा करना भूल जाएगी। क्या तरीका है ये? आप सिस्टम को ब्लॉक करना चाहते हैं, और यह प्रवृत्ति थी यूपी के अंदर। 17 के पहले यही होता था, और हम इसी बात को कह सकते हैं कि 17 के बाद हमने कर्फ्यू भी नहीं लगने दिया, लेकिन ऐसे बैरियर को चुन चुन करके वे जिस प्रकार की भाषा को समझते थे उस प्रकार की भाषा से उनको समझा करके उसको उसकी सजा दिलाने का काम भी किया है। और उत्तर प्रदेश की ग्रोथ स्टोरी यहीं से शुरू होती है।
दंगाइयों को मुख्यमंत्री आवास में बुला के सम्मानित किया जाता था। दंगाइयों की अवभगत होती थी और पेशेवर अपराधी और माफियाओं के सामने सत्ता सैल्यूट करती थी और सत्ताधारी लोग उनके कुत्तों के साथ हाथ मिलाया करते थे। आपने वो दृश्य देखे होंगे, कैसे सत्ता का मुखिया एक माफिया के कुत्ते से हाथ मिलाकर के अपने को गौरवान्वित महसूस करता था।
Santosh Sharma is now joining me on the story. Santosh, a very clear warning by the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He is saying that this government is different. All those who are now on the streets protesting, speaking against the government, a warning has been given to them.
Definitely, this is the clear-cut warning of CM Yogi Adityanath to all those violators of the law, and especially he was concerned about the Bareilly incident, that this is a different government. Those who have broke the law, they will be given a clear-cut lesson, and Bareilly police has took all those actions against those who have broke the law yesterday after the Juma namaz. So we can say after the CM Yogi Adityanath gave this instruction not only in this public address, but even last night when he was addressing a video conferencing law and order review meeting, he also clearly gave message to the officers that strict action should be taken against those persons, those who disturb the law and order of the state.
Right.
And that's the reason till now 11 FIRs have been lodged against all those persons in the Bareilly, and the action is going on.
Right, Santosh, please stay on with me. We've got some more news coming in from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Probe now intensifying in the Bareilly unrest case. 11 FIRs have been filed by the police in this case so far. Over 2,000 people have been booked by the police. Maulana Tauqeer Raza, he's been named in 2 FIRs. Office bearers of Razas, many others have been booked. My colleague Santosh is still with me on the story. Santosh, 11 FIRs have been filed. We understand Maulana Tauqeer Raza, he is someone who's been named in 2 FIRs. He's been picked up for questioning also. People close to him, close to 2,000 people have also been booked.
As we have talked earlier, that CM Yogi has already given clear-cut instruction to take the strict action all those persons, and that's the reason the 11 FIRs have been lodged. And in all these 11 FIRs, in 2 FIRs, Maulana Tauqeer Raza is named accused of this whole violence of yesterday. Taqi Raza is named as a main conspirator, and not only the Taqi Raza, his other office bearers of his organization are also named in these two FIRs. So we can say Taqi Raza is is accused in the named FIR of Bareilly police, and his office bearers are also on the radar of Bareilly police. The action is going on till now. More than 39 persons have been arrested. 20 persons are still on the police in the police custody. Police is investigating their role in the violence, and after that, if they found that they were present and they were involved in that violence, so they will also be sent to the jail. But we can say the main conspirator, the Maulana Taqi Raza, is booked in the two FIRs, and he's the named accused in the Bareilly police FIR, which
Right,
have been
Santosh.
lodged in the three police stations. That is the Subhash Nagar police station and Kotwali.